Sometimes division can be tricky, like when we have to divide a 3-digit number that is not divisible. What do we do in that situation?
What do we do?
If the number in the hundreds place is indivisible, then we consider the number in the tens place. Let's see how. When the hundreds digit is not divisible. Introduction. Let's divide 145 by 3. If the number in the hundreds place cannot be divided, we have to consider the number in the tens place as well. We write the division bracket and write 3 outside the bracket and 145 inside the bracket. Step 1. We cannot divide 1 by 3 since 1 is smaller than 3. So we consider the tens digit as well. We figure out how many 3's does it take to make 14, or almost 14, which is 4. Step 2. We multiply 3 and 4, we get 12. Step 3. We subtract 12 from 14, we get 2. Next, we bring down the number in ones place, which is 5. So the number now becomes 25. We repeat the steps. We divide again. We figure out how many 3's does it take to make 25, which is 8. We multiply 3 and 8, we get 24. We subtract 24 from 25, we get 1. We stop division because 1 is less than 3. So 48 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Let's look at another example. Divide 284 by 4. We write the division bracket and write 4 outside the bracket and 284 inside the bracket. Step 1. We cannot divide 2 by 4 since 2 is smaller than 4. So we consider the tens digit as well. We figure out how many 4's does it take to make 28, which is 7. Step 2. We multiply 4 and 7, we get 28. Step 3. We subtract 28 from 28, we get 0. Next, we bring down the number in ones place, which is 4. So the number now is 4. We repeat the steps. We divide again. We figure out how many 4's does it take to make 4, which is 1. We multiply 4 and 1, we get 4. We subtract 4 from 4, we get 0. We stop division because 0 is less than 4. So 71 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder.
That was challenging, but I got it all thanks to you. Thank you for showing me how to do it.
You are so welcome.